How does Lady Gaga like her meat cooked?
Rah, 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 rah.
You're welcome.
So it's 1 week today and we take possession of the new house. We're so excited. We just dropped Sam off at camp and now we're gonna go drive by the house because we just want to see it. We just want to look right at it.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that?
Right at it. Woo! We had to come up and check our mail, so we're gonna take a drive by the old house. And we're in our Jeep, so it's like we're in disguise. Maybe no one will recognize it's us up here. I'm sure we won't see anything, because again, it's a quarter-mile long driveway to get into the house, but we'll be able to drive by, see the gate, see the driveway. That's about it. We used to always do this at our old houses whenever we sold a house, like within a, whenever later we were in the area, we'd always drive by and see if they've done anything to it. So unfortunately here, we won't be able to see any updates they do unless they do something to the driveway. But we'll take a rip out.
It's all paved.
Yeah, it's all paved, imagine. Holy, they have a lot of money. So let's take a rip out anyway, see if we can see any bears or moosies and whatever. I don't know. Let's go have a little see. Our neighbor, yeah. Yeah. Anyone recognize where we are? Still looks the exact same. Got the garbage bin, the fence all locked up. Looks like it's still our place. Only it's not. Still looks the exact same though. Thought we'd take a rip out and stop in and see. Have a look and see at the old land. Again, we had to take a drive out to check the mail, so we figured we'd just drive up here and drive by the land, because we haven't done it yet since we moved out. So it's only been, I don't know, 4 or 5 weeks, I guess, since we sold the place. So we didn't expect anything to change. We just thought it'd be fun to drive by.
Since we already come out for the mail anyway. So.
Yeah, we were already basically here.
Why not, eh?
Yeah. See if anybody recognizes where I am now. The trusty water hole. The first couple years we were here, we were at the water hole all the time. This is our only source of water until we got a well at our house and then running water throughout the house. So this was a lifesaver for the first couple years at our land. So we thought we'd stop and fill up my water bottle one more time.
Yeah, that thing is sweet.
Yeah. We also stopped in at our closest neighbor and she gave us some cookies and we were able to catch up with them. So that was fun. Filled my belly a little bit with some cookies. Another thing about being out here we were going to mention is that one of the other reasons that we wanted to sell, obviously because we needed to be closer for appointments. It's just more convenient for, Jeremy and myself and for Sam. But another big thing was hunting. Not being able to hunt here was a really big deal for us. You can't get a doe tag in the area. And as far as a moose tag goes, I mean, it's a really random draw. You may have to go for 20 years before you get a tag. Some people have said 20 years, 10 years, like Jeremy's applied for 4 or 5 years, never got one. So that's a real pain. And then the bear, that's probably the only thing you can guarantee you'd get here every year is a bear tag and be able to get a bear. But the problem with that, we got a bear and we were so excited because we would want to, like if you get a bear, you want to utilize all of it. We made a bear rug, we ate all the meat and then we cut all the claws off and made necklaces out of it. And then we found out it was illegal to sell the necklaces. So that was a huge damper because we wanted to make a business out of that, make some money back. And it's a lot of work to make those necklaces. And then when we found out we can't even sell them, we thought, well, what the heck's the point of getting a bear every single year? And then I can't sell her hide or her claws and things like that. It was kind of a major bummer. So that was another huge downfall of being all the way out here is when you have a big piece of land in the middle of nowhere, you want to be able to hunt it. So if you can't, that really sucks.
We could at least hunt the bear for the meat and stuff, but all those bonus things, which were really cool. Yeah.
Yeah, they would have been cool.
Yeah.
Anyway, back to our...
where we're at now, man, tons of deer.
Tons and tons of deer.
Yeah, you can put it for the doe and everything, but there's also there's just lots of more deer. It just sucks when an hour closer for all those other... obviously you had to be there for the appointments and everything.
Yeah.
But an hour closer, being able to pick a spot that's loaded with deer. This is in behind Dairy Queen. And he's just sitting there. And that's what's better about this area than where we were. There's no deer out there, or very, not like there is here.
Yeah.
Like knowing that just an hour away, there's like way more deer there.
Yeah.
Right? Because they do a lot of clearing and stuff out here, and that pushes the deer out. Right?
Yeah.
So that's why they're down that way in farm country.
And a lot less bear there, which is actually a nice thing, so I don't have to deal with them ripping up my garbage and just being a nuisance anyway.
Yeah.
So
There'll be something in the garbage though.
yeah,
That's just how it goes.
There'll be something. Probably raccoons.
We're still in the country.
yeah, but at least I won't have to deal with him as much, the bears as much. But anyway, we're glad we came out here, but don't miss it. Certainly don't miss the long drive, the far away from things. I'm really, really happy with our choice to sell and to move closer, and we'll get another big chunk of land again, just in a better location.
For us anyway.
Yeah.
It's a cool spot.
We're back in town now, and we sold the car, so that's exciting. Now we're out having pizza on a patio.
And a flight.
Pizza and a flight. Well, I'm having juice, a blueberry juice, and pizza, but he's having the flight. We're happy. This car is sold. We're celebrating. Yay!
So this here, can you see that?
Yeah, just
That's maple.
maple amber beer.
Yeah, it's a high field. These are all made here.
Okay.
So this is maple, right? This one.
And then my drink here.
This is blueberry.
Yeah, it's a
So
blueberry.
do you get it? You get where we're coming from here? We made maple syrup and we had blueberries. We still are going to make maple syrup. We'll see about the blueberries. I think there's blueberries in that field, right?
There is, yeah.
So anyway,
there is
so like
blueberries.
Mapleberry, right?
So we're Mapleberry, so we come
get
out
the
and we drink.
here.
This is a blueberry lemonade, but it just tastes like blueberry water.
And that's maple, amber, high field maple, amber beer. That's actually strawberry wheat beer, but it's gone.
Yeah.
They start with the weakest one first, and that's an IPA and whatever. Those are other things. But we just the maple thing.
Yeah.
Maybe you don't find it as cool.
We're Mapleberry, so we have to drink mapley
So you
berry
gotta
things.
yeah, right.
Look at these pretty flowers at our table. They're so pretty. Jeremy and I just had a fight about whether these ones, these ones are orange or not. I think they're orange.
These are red, these are orange.
They're not red. He's saying they're red. They're not. They're like a deep orange. And that's obviously orange, the top ones. But that seems like a deep orange to me.
Yeah.
Not red.
Well, you're high.
You just don't know things.
You're actually...
See, these are the same flowers right there. They're orange. They look more orange over there.
No.
You guys tell us what you think. I say they're orange. He's an idiot.
You're an idiot. You always be an idiot. You always were an idiot.
Isn't it? You come from a long line of idiots. Isn't that the rest of it?
I don't know.
Well, that's what I say back to you. So after we finished eating yesterday, we went down and picked up a couple of hard doors for the Jeep. So when we bought the Jeep, it had a soft top and just soft doors. And the doors, like, because it's kind of old, the doors up here, they weren't like attaching tight, so it was kind of dangling, and if you're on the highway it's just like waving in the wind. And it didn't, like, it poured yesterday when we were out driving. It was like pouring rain and we didn't really get wet, so that's good. Water did come down like the inside, but we didn't actually get wet or anything. But just having like the soft doors that are dangling all the time, and it, you know, we wanted some hard doors anyway, so we found some on Marketplace and went and got them yesterday. So these are them. They're just, you know, off of an old Jeep that was being parted out. So anyway, we're happy to have hard doors, and it'll help keep the heat in and stuff in the winter as well, which is important. We're happy the car sold. So now this will be like our gas saver, and we'll be using it all the time in the winter. So we need it to be warm as well. We might get a hard top, but we'll wait and see like how well it does keeping the heat in. It'll probably just be for like putting around in the area anyway. But we're pretty excited to have some hard doors on here. Check it out. So they need to be cleaned, and there's like, you know, a little damage and stuff, but they were cheap, so we didn't pay very much for both of them. And we're just happy to have doors, like I said. So we will clean all this up today. It's a cold day today. It's quite chilly. But we'll get this all wiped out. And I mean, it's not really a big deal. This part, the damage there. I think the windows work. I've never tried them. Looks like it. Yep. Awesome. Windows work. They look good, and they were already black, so that's awesome. Having the mirrors is nice, because that was kind of annoying trying to drive without mirrors. At least for me, Jeremy didn't seem to care. And here's the other one. So we'll go buy some trim clad probably and touch up the rust spots here. We can fix all that up easy enough here. So there's definitely a few spots, but again, we can fix it up. Better than no door, right? Kind of bunged up here. Doesn't really matter though. Like I said, we just wanted to have some hard doors for 150 bucks for both of them. We're not upset about them being marked up. Buying them brand new is going to cost a whole lot more than that. She's a beauty, ain't she? I love it. I love the Jeep. So this morning, there's really not a whole lot to do. I got up early and took Sam to camp, and it's so rainy. I usually go for a walk every morning after I take her to camp, or later in the day we go again, but it's like just cold today and rainy. I don't really know what we're gonna do. Gonna have to kill the day. I'm so glad that in less than a week now we move into the new house, because I could come up with lots of things to do there. So we're really excited to finally get there, get it set up the way we want it, and start building some stuff. Here's my tomato plant. We'll plant it once we move into a bigger location. It's looking so good though, eh? It's getting big. Lots of tomatoes. Be able to start using them soon in a salad. Probably not too long. I love it. I may grab an umbrella here and go for a walk. Kill some time. I can't be sitting in the camper all day. I'd be too bored out of my mind.
You do.
Hi.
Hello.
She's camera shy. Me too, I should run away.
Yeah. What? 100th bonfire in the last 6 weeks? I love bonfires. She gone. It finally stopped. It's been storming, so.
Like a week.
But each night hasn't been too bad. We've been able to have a fire still. Just kind of threw the day off and on. Oh, she's running away again. But it's hard to complain about this.
Yep.
We just ate marshmallows. It's nice.
And I'm not camera shy, I'm just being funny.
So we're on our way to the lawyer's office to go sign the papers. The last thing to do before we get the house. Yay! So we just signed all the papers with the lawyer and dropped off the money. And now we're having some lunch. So
Yeah.
that's fun.
So cool to have all that done.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
We're excited.
So it's officially all signed, ready to go.
Yeah, just need to close.
Now just a walk through. A few days from now.
Yep.
Next day we should be. That should be it.
Yeah. So exciting.
Oh yeah. You gotta check this thing out.
It says it's for kids, but I'm like a big kid, right?
It is cool. It held me. Yeah. It's cool.
Yeah.
Come on, touch my hair.
Touch my hair!
Ready?
Yeah. Mom, I'm gonna hit you.
No, you're fine. Go. Yep.
Yep. Look. That was kind of fast. Kind of pretty quick.
like a roller coaster.
Okay, so we're gonna go through a maze. We're in the children's forest, and that is our maze.
So it says to take a picture of the maze in case we get messed up.
Yep.
So we did it. We didn't have our phone on us. We had to go back and get it.
Here.
That's where Mommy comes in.
Yeah, I have to go get it.
Let's
Getting
go.
bit by spiders.
Yeah, me too. Let's get moving.
Yeah.
Before we get eaten alive. Which way should we go, right or left, do you think? Right?
I don't know.
Is that what the picture says?
I don't know. I'll have to look. All right.
Here we go. Okay, Dad, now where do we go?
Right the other.
Yeah, we made it.
Yay!
Hey, Sam.
I wish,
This is the other way.
I
In.
wish we took the whole maze.
Oh, you wish we got lost for a while?
Yeah.
No, I said I wish we took the whole maze.
Well, that's what it would have been. I kind of just took the most economical route. Hey?
It was fun.
Yeah.
Ready?